Alright, this one I'm building the, we're just home, we're chilling, we're playing Roblox, we're building Halo. So I have this Mega Bloks Halo set. I'm going to build it, see if it's complete. I'm pretty sure, looking at the parts list, that I'm going to be short a few parts. In fact, I definitely know I'm going to be short a bunch of parts. Maybe we'll substitute them out and see what we can do. But we'll do our best to kind of get this built. It's called the, what is this? UNSC Rocket Warthog. It's actually, I mean, the vehicles are pretty cool looking. Here are the figures. Only slightly janky. They're little Halo troopers. So any Halo fans out there, you may see this next week on the Journal of the Scots official Mercari store. If this is complete, or at least maybe I'll post that it's incomplete. The nice part was, I think whoever I got this in a Facebook lot, gave up, didn't really build it all the way themselves, so I have the full sticker sheet, so that's valuable. So the stickers aren't screwed up. So alright, let's get rocking and rolling and try to build this thing out. So first time ever building Mega Bloks on my end. So okay, there we go. So it's a first for everything, and it's not that I knock on the let's see. Okay, here we go. The instructions already look a little they do put these little colored dots on where you're supposed to go, so that's not bad. So goes like this, like that. This goes across. Okay, cool. There we go. First part of the ship done. Alright, now we need two multiple twos. Oh, okay. Yeah, this Facebook lot was from a long time ago, and it was pretty crazy. Got a lot of stuff from it. And depending on the value of this, if it's fairly complete, oh my goodness, why am I yawning? Then it'll turn out to be pretty valuable. Some of these parts are pre-printed, which is kind of crazy. I don't think that's supposed to be. There could be multiple sets in here. Looks like the only piece maybe he took from another set. I don't know. This is the purple thing, so maybe there's two sticker sheets. Uh-oh. Okay, so this will be here. This one is here. So far, the bricks don't feel terrible. They don't quite. God dang. Am I really gonna yawn this whole time? Don't quite have the clutch power, but they're pretty solid. I mean, it remains to be seen over time. Alright, on to the next page. Let's see here. Another symbol. These. Little sticker on that thing. I don't know why. Oh, there's the 3. Colors are a little bit hard to discern with the light. Put this thing? Okay.
Run.
What are you playing?
I'm playing Starving Artist where people buy your art and you get money for it. Like you get actual Robux for it.
Actual Robux?
Yeah, but you have to create a shirt, and I've created one this morning, so.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. We're gonna need some circulars. These little dots that they put on here are kind of distracting. Okay. Two 3x. I don't see any 3x. Where's my handy dandy bin? Just in case. I might have thrown some of this stuff away because I'm so anti having this in my collection. There also was some super generic. Some super generic stuff that was thrown in there as well, so I gotta be careful. Mega blocks. Might be dead in the water. Don't see any 3x. Let's see if there's some in here. This is all genuine Lego. This is all not. Generic. This is the real stuff. Generic. 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 I don't know how the real stuff got mixed in. Okay, so this is turning into bin sorting. That's why you can't have janky Lego in your collection. Janky Lego. Janky. Real. 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 It's all figure stands. And this is real. I think you're supposed to be able to pull that out. Old school motorbike. It's cracked though. Janky. Janky. Mega blocks. Lego. Janky, janky. These football guys. Well, hands fall on. Jeez. Alright, we cleared out an entire bin. I still don't think we're gonna be able to. Oh, it's not a 3. Okay, so it's this. And a corner. Another corner. This times 2. Why are the colors different? Okay. Alright, there we go. Should follow the directions. Is that your new t-shirt design?
No, it's my art.
Oh, okay, art design. Ah, there we go. Ship's coming along. It's about downtime. Oh man, I fumbled. Fumble! Fumble! Ah! I don't think Lego has too many of those. That looks nice. Very nice. Gross. Would you say real gross, a little bit gross, kind of gross?
Gross.
Would you say about downtime? What do you think, buddy? Do you think it's about darn time? Missing another piece again. On the hunt we go. That's how it rolls. This is a small piece. And found a maze. I don't see it right there. Oh no. Are we missing pieces? Okay, found those. Maybe it'll show up. Oh, there's only one. Oh my goodness.